Hi guys, welcome to the third part of the calculator program. So in the previous two parts, we had first displayed the console, the operations on the console. The second one, we had asked the user to enter the input, and then we just said initiating addition or initiating subtraction. So in this part, we'll actually perform the addition subtraction after taking the two inputs from the user. So let us jump into the code. So first is the function calculator display. It shows all the operations. Cout, welcome to calculator, choose one operation, etc., etc. Now we have one more function in this program, in this part, saying user input. So this is a reference for the value a and b. So in the cout, what we ask the user is to enter a number on the two lines. So first is number one is, he enters a number. Number two is, he enters a number. And now we have two functions, one for addition, one for subtraction. In the addition, we return a plus b. Subtraction, we return a minus b. Very simple. After that, we have the main calculator function. If the user enters 1, the input would basically be user's choice, and the AB will also be the integers. After, if the user enters 1, then we have to, if the user input is A comma B, then we have to perform the addition for A and B. And then we say the return the sum is, we have to convert that into string and give the output. Similarly, if the user enters 2, we have to perform subtraction, and we say the difference is etc. So and so. And then we return the exit the program if the user doesn't enter either 1 or 2. That's it. Again, in the main function, we call the calculator display first. We show all the operations to the user. After that, we ask him to enter the choice. Once he enters, then we perform the calculator function. Let me run the program. I want to subtract numbers. I'll enter 2. After enter, the number 1 is 54, number 2 is 56. Difference is -2. So let's submit the program. In the next part, we'll be adding the loop to this. We can keep on doing this until we click on exit. So the test cases have passed as in the last video. Thank you guys.